2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, power seat, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.